Today we are back with another brand new video, and today I will be talking about a stereo we installed in BMW 5 Series 520D. This is a 2016 model, and we installed our latest Android stereo in it, and I will be talking about it, about its specifications, its features, and some of the features it doesn't come with, but it supports it. So first of all, this is a BMW 5 Series 520D 2016 model, and this Android stereo is 32 to 64, comes in with a built-in memory of 32 to 64 gigabyte, also with the 2 GB to 4 gigabytes of RAM. Let's talk about some of its basics functions. I mean, this stereo has some built-in features. First of all, it's an Android stereo, so it is gonna come with built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth, built-in personal hotspot, and other basic Android functions like file manager, browser, and these like built-ins. Okay, but if you talk about the Bluetooth, this Bluetooth has two functions. So once you connect your phone to the stereo via Bluetooth, you can either play songs from your phone, and you can listen on your car, or you can sync all of your contacts here. So you can basically call anybody from here, or hang up or receive calls basically. So this is what you can do with the Bluetooth. It comes with the two features. Then it also have a built-in navigation. You can also download like Google Maps, Sidekick, or other navigation apps, but why we prefer this one, the built-in one, and we have installed the iGo navigation. And why we prefer it is because this is completely offline. You really don't need any sort of internet in order to run this. It basically also is 3D, and it basically takes the signals from the satellite, and in order to navigate. Yeah, if you can see right now, I'm not connected to any internet, but it's working if I put the new route. And it also has a 3D and 4D 2D. So this is the built-in navigation. We have the iGo we use, but obviously you can use like Google Maps. Maybe we have it right there, Google Maps, or Sidekick, or other apps as well. You have a Play Store here, or you can like in Apple phones you have App Store. In Android you have Play Store. You can basically download any kind of application you want, whether it's Netflix, whether it's Spotify, whether we already have YouTube here installed, Gmail. You can download literally everything. You can use the same account here as well that you use on your daily life phone. Then this stereo has one really cool feature for the BMW. If I start the car, I'll show you. If I go to the dashboard here, you can see it shows all these functions basically. The fuel, the temperature, the ABS, the seat belt, and also the rev meter as well. If I rev it, it goes up, you see? And this is the speedometer as well. You can also change the styles and things. I mean, this is for the young generation like me. They like some cool stuff. So it comes with a built-in dashboard as well. Then it also have a built-in function which is phone link. You can basically mirror your phone to the stereo as well. It doesn't matter you have an Android or you have an iPhone. It's same as if you have Apple CarPlay that you can use. You can also connect an Apple CarPlay to this stereo. How you do it is basically we have a separate dongle where we when we install two USB ports, either right here or on the other side right here. So if you buy the Apple CarPlay, you just plug it in, and then wirelessly you can use the Apple CarPlay on this stereo. And believe me, I have used it myself, so it's in really good quality as well. Then it also have, if you go to app, some of the obviously built-in or basics, Google Chrome, Gmail, there is the iGo navigation, the file explorer, the Bluetooth, the aux, video player. If you want to watch videos via USB or SD card, then you can basically put it in here, the USB, and then go to the video, and it will sync all the videos there, and then you can watch or listen. It also comes with a really cool settings. I will show you now. If you go to Bluetooth and if you go to BT Music, once you play a song, you actually have built-in what you call equalizers for this stereo. If I show you here, there you go. When you play a song, you have these settings. The user, it's the basically my setting right now. You can also choose pop, classic, or if you want to do it by yourself, you can go to user and play around with the bass and other stuff here. It has equalizers as well. Other stereos usually don't have it. So this is what we had. You can also connect a back camera to this stereo, and how the back camera works is I'm gonna show you if I turn on the car again. So this customer didn't want the back camera, but I can show you when you install it how you can use it. Right now the car is in parking mode. If I put it in the reverse, there you go, then basically the back camera will come up here. All your sensors, everything will work perfectly. But right now it says no signal because there is no back camera. So as soon as you put it in the neutral or parking, then it goes back to the Android stereo. Or you can also press this menu button here, then it will go back to the Android stereo. So this is what we have, or we have not for this BMW but for other cars as well. Almost all the cars like Mercedes, Audi, Toyota, Nissan, Dodge, like literally every car. We also have it for the Porsche, we have it for the Lamborghini. If you want to buy as the stereo for your car, I will leave all the particular or necessary links in the description below. You can visit our website and check the stereos for your cars. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And so that's it for today, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.